Hey folks, Bob here. I'm over here at John's Garage again, just outside of Youngsville. We have a GMC 300, which would be a 1-ton. And I don't know that much about these old trucks. I can't tell you what year it is. I'm hoping one of you guys can. GMC 300, it's a cab and chassis. Look at them big lug nuts. I'm gonna say this is a 1-ton. It's got a split wheel. Let's see if we got anything. Oh, I don't want to break anything. Just better not leave that alone. Look at the back. I can't tell you what year this is, but it's a cab and chassis. First time I've had a chance to video this thing. It's always been so growed up in this back in here, but it's mid-December. And I can actually get in here to it. A lot of times I come up here and I got on my shorts and my ankle socks. That ain't happening. Usually it was growed up in here pretty good, so they're able to get in here to it today. The truck's been sitting here for years. I wish we could come up with a year on it. I just don't know, guys. This truck's very savable. I bet you can buy about anything you want for these. The floors look fairly solid. I think that's where the battery goes over there, I believe. Not sure what goes there. I guess that's for checking the transmission, maybe. Couldn't tell you. It's got a Chevrolet steering wheel on it. It's like somebody's added a turn signal. Sorry about the lighting, guys. This time of year, late in the evening, it's around 3 o'clock. Get these long shadows. Let's see if I can get that hood open. Turn it off for just a second. Yeah, she's got some, I mean, to restore it, you would need a lot of body parts, but you can get it, just to get it going again. Wouldn't be that big a deal, I would think. A lot of stuff happening there. Got a split windshield, that's a clue. Let me turn you off and no, okay, so it has been repainted. That's where it ran. That's not, I didn't think that was original color. It looked too good. I'm gonna see if I can get that hood up. Check that out. No prop rod. The hood stays up by itself. We got an inline 6 here. Look at the wasp nest inside the horn. Ooh, that has been there a while. It's almost petrified. Oh man, the wiring. You have to ask John what's going on with his truck. Why has it been sitting there so long? I think this may be his. I don't see a generator. I think it may have been taken off. There it is, right on there. Okay, there it is. Let's see, right there it is, guys. Pretty easy, simple to work on. Overhead valve, inline 6. There's another wasp nest right there. That one hasn't been as long. It's soft. And what is that, guys? So that might go down to transmission, maybe. What does that tube go to? I can't tell you. Got me. Got hood hinges. I love it. All right, folks, there you have it. Got another old truck up here, a Ford. It's got John's Garage on the side. So before I video that one, let me talk to him on that one a little bit and get a little backstory on that. So we won't be doing that today. He's in there busy working on stuff. I'm not going to bug him anymore today, but I'll ask him something about this one. I don't know what year this is, guys, but since that hood went up so easy, I let you guys watch me take it down. There we go. That's about the way it was when I found it. Yeah, that's how it was. All right, folks. Cabin chassis. I'd have to get this back on the road. I've got an old van here too. I'll have to do the van sometime. Get this backstory on that. It's been here a while. That's enough for today. Let me get these two. I'm gonna grab me a bite to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please, guys, hit that thumbs up. The views are still pretty good. The minutes watched are good. What's hurting me is the thumbs up are way down. Hit that thumbs up, guys. If you like the video and you like what we're doing here at Field Agents and I know we got a lot of different stuff going on. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. That's how we know to bring you more of that content, because we got access to all kinds of cool stuff. So hit that thumbs up. Tell us what you like, and we'll try to get it to you. We got some racing stuff coming up too soon too, I hope. All right, folks, take care. Bob out.